Hey guys, I promise I'm not wearing the same thing for Monday. I just created the videos at the same time. I just wanted to quickly show you guys how to get on Lexia. You should go to the Continuous Learning Plan website. If you forgot, just go to the Cheeny website. So you click, well, I have it bookmarked. If you have your Chromebook, you probably have it bookmarked. If not, just type in Cheeny. Make sure you don't go to Cheeny, Washington. We're in Cheeny, Kansas, so make sure you go to our website. So I'll go to the original website. Right here there's a link to the Continuous Learning Plan website, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, we're in 3rd grade, so we're going to click on 3rd grade. And if you look at the screen, you'll scroll down. Here's me. Keep moving, moving, moving. Okay, Lexia, you're going to click here. And you're going to need my email. Okay, my email is cbegley@usd268.org. Okay, you're going to click Save. You're going to go to Login. You're going to type in your username. Okay, so if I were Kanie, I do Shun Kane. So your first 4 of your last, your first 4 of your first, and then do your password. Your password is going to be your numbers, okay? And I think it's only your numbers, not your first 4 of your last, and then your number. It's just going to be your number. Some of you have a 4-digit number, some of you have a 5-digit number. So whatever yours is, like if some of you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1090. Okay, I don't know I do know what your numbers are, but hopefully you know them. If you don't, you can email me, or you can have your parent email me, okay? And that's pretty much it. You know what? Let me see if I do know Kanie's. I'm not going to save it because I don't want to always be Kanie. Okay, I'm just going to do this so you can see what it looks like. Because I don't know either. I just know the teacher side.
Welcome to Lexia Core 5 reading. You are going to try a few activities to help you get started.
Okay, so this I think is the placement
test.
test.
All of the instructions and do your best.
Just like you had to do in Dreambox.
If you want to hear the question again, press the Rehear button at the bottom of the screen. Are you ready to start? Press the Go arrow to begin.
Okay, I'm not going to do that just because I'm not Kanie. But you guys will go ahead and do that. It should take you kind of through a placement test, just like you did in Dreambox, to figure out where you're at in reading and what skills you need to work on. And then I will get a report, just like I do in Dreambox. I'll see how many minutes you worked, how many lessons you passed. Okay, so I will try to email you guys kind of weekly and comment like, hey, I really saw that you worked hard on Lexia this week. You passed 5 units or 5 lessons. Awesome job. Same with Dreambox. I'll kind of try to send you guys emails. So just know I might not email you every week, but I'm going to try to email at least some of you every week, if not all of you every week, and kind of check in with you and tell you how you're doing in there. So I will get a report. And then tomorrow, if you didn't get done with your placement test, it will continue working on that. And then if you passed it, it will go ahead and give you, I don't know if they're called lessons or units. The lady kept referring to them as units when we got trained. So I would guess it will start you in a unit. Okay, so that is it for Lexia. Good luck.